What's up everyone, it's your boy John coming from here in Japan, and for today's video we're gonna do a lit playlist. I've seen a lot of these kind of videos on YouTube. I think it would be cool to like share some of my top playlists that I have on my Spotify and also on my Soundcloud. The one that got my attention on this kind of video was Lauren Georg. I'm not sure how to say it. Hopefully I'm not saying it wrong, but you can check her out on her channel. I'm gonna link it down below. But since it's February, we're gonna do a love song playlist. I actually have a love song playlist on my Spotify, so we'll do the top 15 love songs that I like listening to on my Spotify, and let's get started. Alright, so let's go to my Spotify, and I'm gonna show you this one right here. I actually have a lot of them that I like listening to. It goes from like the 80s, the 90s, of course the 2000s, and also like the new ones, but I'm gonna show you the ones that I like listening to.
In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you, even though, baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, 'cause you made me wanna push up to the side of the road, slide on the road, let me hold you close and tell you everything I'm thinking. Strong shot of whiskey straight out the flask. I try to make it through without crying so nobody sees. On days like this, oh, tell me you love me. I need you. Take me to the light. I think this will last. Put your hair in my eyes. Don't wanna close my eyes. Don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss a thing. And I will take you in my arms. Hold you right where you belong. Till the day my life is through. This I promise you. I'm gonna love you. What am I to love? Know you were right. Believing for so long. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than you love. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. Dreaming. A whole new world. Hear your voice saying my name, it sounds so sweet. Coming from the lips of an angel. Hearing those words, it makes me weak. Nothing feels right when I'm not with you. Sick of this stress and these challenges. Caught up in a ball with something hate in LA. In my dreams I always see you soar above the sky. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am, there you'll be. I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain.
So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna be doing probably 2 or more videos for this February playlist, I'm gonna probably do it by genre. So I'm gonna do, I love listening to country, I love listening to pop, R&B, so whatever floats my boat. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video, and follow me in my other social medias, the link down below. And also check out some of my other videos that I also put down below. I think my next video is gonna be the 90s It's Lit playlist, so watch out for that one, and other than that, you guys have a good day.